G'day, it's Chef Jason here, and welcome to The Great Bite. Here we share love for all things culinary, including history, recipes, and stories. So don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. The 10 don'ts in the professional kitchen. A professional kitchen is a high pressure environment where discipline, skill, and teamwork determine success. Every action matters, and small mistakes can quickly escalate into bigger problems that affect the entire service. Understanding what not to do is just as important as mastering technique. From food safety to knife handling to communication and preparation, avoiding bad habits helps create a safer, more efficient, and more respectful workplace. These don'ts aren't just rules, they're the foundation of professionalism in the culinary world. Don't ignore food safety. Food safety is one of the most important responsibilities in any kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home or a professional environment, ignoring proper food safety practices can lead to foodborne illnesses, wasted ingredients, damaged reputations, and even serious legal consequences. From washing your hands to preventing cross contamination, to cooking foods to correct temperatures and storing ingredients properly, every step matters. Good food safety isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting the health and well being of everyone who sits down to eat. In any kitchen, food safety always comes first. Don't use dull knives. A dull knife may seem safer than a razor sharp one, but the opposite is true. Dull blades require more force to cut, making them more likely to slip off the food and cause serious injuries. They also crush delicate ingredients instead of slicing them cleanly, reducing both the quality and appearance of your dishes. Keeping your knives sharp not only improves precision and efficiency, but also makes every cut safer. Professional chefs understand that a well maintained knife is one of the most important tools in the kitchen, and taking time to sharpen and care for it is an investment in both safety and better cooking. Don't cross contaminate foods. Cross contamination is one of the fastest ways harmful bacteria can spread in the kitchen. Using the same cutting board, knife, or utensils for raw meat and ready to eat foods without properly cleaning or sanitizing them can transfer dangerous pathogens that may cause foodborne illnesses. Always keep raw meats, poultry, seafood, and eggs separate from fresh produce and cooked foods, and wash your hands whenever you switch tasks. Preventing cross contamination is a simple habit that protects both the quality of your food and the health of everyone who eats it. Don't leave your station dirty. A clean workstation is the foundation of an efficient and safe kitchen. Allowing food scraps, spills, dirty utensils, and clutter to build up not only slows you down, but also increases the risk of cross contamination, accidents, and pest problems. Professional chefs practice clean as you go, wiping down surfaces, washing equipment, and returning tools to their proper place throughout service. Keeping your station clean ensures that you can work quickly and stay organized, as well as maintain the high standards expected in any professional kitchen. Don't ignore recipes and standard procedures. Recipes and standard operating procedures exist for a reason. They ensure consistency, quality, safety, and efficiency. Ignoring them can lead to wasted ingredients, uneven results, incorrect portion sizes, and food safety risk. In a professional kitchen, every recipe has been carefully developed and tested to deliver the same great product every time. Following established procedures also helps the entire team work together smoothly, especially during a busy service. Master the standards first, and once you've earned the experience, you'll better understand when and how creativity can be applied without sacrificing quality. Don't waste ingredients. Wasting ingredients doesn't just hurt the bottom line, it also wastes the time, effort, and resources that went into producing them. Every piece of food has value, and professional chefs learn to maximize the value through proper storage, careful portioning, accurate preparation, and creative use of trimmings whenever it's safe and appropriate. Paying attention to an inventory, rotating stock, and using first in, first out method, and preparing only what is needed helps reduce unnecessary waste. Respecting ingredients is a hallmark of a skilled chef and a key part of running an efficient, sustainable kitchen. Don't be late or unprepared. In a professional kitchen, being on time means being ready to work, not walking through the door when your shift begins. Arriving late or unprepared puts extra pressure on your teammates, delays prep work, and can disrupt your entire service. Professional chefs arrive early enough to change into their uniforms, gather their tools, review the day's menu, and set up their station before the first order comes in. Punctuality and preparation demonstrate reliability, professionalism, and respect for your team. In a fast paced kitchen, success begins long before the first dish is served. Don't stop communicating. Clear communication is essential in any professional kitchen, where timing, teamwork, and precision determine the success of every service. Failing to communicate can lead to missed orders, duplicated work, safety hazards, and unnecessary mistakes. Whether you're calling out behind, hot, or corner, confirming ticket information, or updating your team on an ingredient shortage, every word helps keep the kitchen run smoothly. Good communication builds trust, improves efficiency, and creates a safer working environment. In a busy kitchen, silence can be just as dangerous as a sharp knife, so never stop communicating with your team. Don't let your emotions take over. A professional kitchen can be one of the most demanding workplaces, with long hours, intense pressure, and constant deadlines. It's natural to feel frustrated or stressed at times, but letting your emotions take control can lead to poor decisions, mistakes, conflicts, and safety risks. Professional chefs learn to stay calm, focused, and respectful even during the busiest of services. If something goes wrong, address the problem professionally, communicate with your team, and keep moving forward. Emotional control is a sign of true professionalism and helps create a kitchen culture built on trust, teamwork, and consistency. To quote Rick Wigsby, ego is the anesthesia that deadens the pain of stupidity. So leave your ego at the door when you show up for work. Don't ever stop learning. The culinary world is constantly evolving, with new techniques, ingredients, equipment, and ideas emerging every year. No matter how experienced you become, there is always something new to learn. The best chefs remain curious, ask questions, seek feedback, and never assume that they know everything. Every shift, every mistake, every mentor offers an opportunity to improve. A commitment to lifelong learning not only sharpens your skills but also keeps your passion for cooking alive. In the professional kitchen, the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. This is the most important lesson, not just for the kitchen, but for life in general. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. This is Chef Jason, and remember, love is the secret ingredient.